Action Video Unlimited, 540-841-1843. How to download the H Media Player and complete the spreadsheet. Go to the H Player website and download the 1.5.7.0V player. To control the player, click on the down arrow in the top left corner and you will see a drop-down menu. Next, you want to click on Download the 1.5.70V player. Make sure you specifically load this particular player. To control the player, click on the down arrow in the top left corner and you will see a drop-down menu. You can also control the player by right-clicking anywhere on the page. When doing so, the controls will appear. Next, you want to go to your drop-down menu and select the word Skins, S-K-I-N-S. Once you select Skins, a drop-down menu will appear. Go down and select the XMP skin. This will help make sure we see the same player and same interface when communicating about your play selections. Notice the game timer. This is what we will use to make sure we get the same timestamp. To open a DVD, click File, then click Open DVD. Here's how you open a file. For example, let's say someone sends you a copy of a game electronically over the internet. First, you open File from the drop-down menu. Next, you click Open Quick File. Here's the menu you will see. First, you need to find the file you want to open, but before you start, make sure that Media Files All Types is selected. Next, you need to navigate to the file you want to open. Use the drop-down to find a particular drive or area on your computer where the file is located. Then click Open and your file should appear. Once your DVD or file opens, review the game and hit the pause button when you see a play you want to use. The first thing you do here is find the Favorites button. It's in the top right-hand corner and it looks like a shirt. Next, you want to select the Add to Favorites drop-down button. Once the Add to Favorites box appears, first select the drop-down button. Next, you want to make sure the Remember Position box is checked. The next thing you're going to do is to add a description for this particular play. First, you want to drag your mouse over the first portion of the information, but make sure you keep the timestamp portion. Next, you want to write a description of your particular play just in front of the timestamp. Keep it short and to the point. After writing in your description, select OK. Your play is now saved in the favorites with the timestamp. Here's what the plays look like once they're saved with the timestamp. Recording your plays on the electronic spreadsheet we provide. The electronic spreadsheet we provide is much easier to use with a computer. However, if you don't have a computer, you can always use a pen or pencil. Please record the game date, your position, your jersey number, your jersey color, and the favorite timestamp number and description of each play. Make sure we get the jersey color and game date initially. However, there's no need to make this entry after every single play, but it's really important that we get it initially. You can record your plays as you go, or you can get all of your favorites and record the timestamp after you review the entire game. To do this, you can select Organize Favorites. Select DVDs and you will see the plays with timestamps and descriptions appear. See plays on the next screen. Here are the plays and how they are recorded as they are selected. This information is on using the H player. Become familiar with the player, especially the first 6 drop-down menus. This contains all the tools you'll need to find and mark the plays you use to create your highlight video. Also, stay tuned for more information on how to use the player. But for now, make sure you understand how to use the pause button and how to save your plays in the favorites function. That's all you'll need to get started. Please feel free to give us a call at 540-841-1843 or email us at sales@actionvideounlimited.com if you have any questions.